if Amazon says no to your infringement report, use this strategy. And you can see right here in brand registry, sometimes your reports get rejected and they're not supposed to. Now, just understand that the person that's reviewing this and rejecting this is somebody that could be overseas and most likely is overseas at Amazon. So maybe they just messed up. And of course, the first step is to make this as easy as possible for Amazon to understand that you're correct and they should be removed. The first thing is this example of an actual product, right? Here's the product, and then here's the fake product. Amazon doesn't believe that the fake product, that this is actually fake. So what we have to do is number one, do a test buy. So you're going to actually do a test buy if you did get rejected. So do a test buy. Make sure it's delivered. It has to be actually delivered to you. And then you're going to complain as a buyer. So complain as a buyer once it's delivered to you that the product is a fake. It's a ripoff. You can't believe Amazon's allowing them to sell fakes. And that's going to automatically set up a red flag, right? Especially if you get angry about it to Amazon, they will report it internally. Somebody will start to review it. So that's going to be step number one. Step number two is you're going to take photos of the fake and you're going to make it idiot proof, right? So you're going to put pretty much like a little screenshot, something like this, of your real. So we did the actual client's patent right here on the left side. And then we did the fake one and how it looks identical that even a child would understand that the one on the right is a fake. So you're going to do that as well. Okay. So that's number two. Once you do this, it's time to escalate. So you don't want to report it again. You don't want to just be like, okay, sweet, I'm just going to report it again and again and again. You will get kicked off of brand registry or you'll get kicked off of being able to report fakes on brand registry. That's not what we want. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to support, contact brand support. And now it's time to escalate it. So you're going to escalate a previously submitted issue. You're going to describe it and put all that information. And now you can actually upload files. So this is your time to tell Amazon you did an order, a test buy. So put the order ID, put proof that you did a purchase order and that you verified it is a fake. And then also make sure you put this idiot proof image. This is going to help. Now, just realize that with these two combos, there is going to be a higher chance of success. And Amazon may not answer right away, or they'll give you a template response. So you do have to follow up multiple times on this. You can also say it's a technical issue and then actually chat. Sometimes they'll let you chat with brand registry and say, hey, look, does this look like a fake to you? Yes, I need this escalated internally. Okay, so try to get it escalated internally and then ask for permission to report it again. You don't want to just report it again and just because they might kick you off, but you want permission that you are allowed to report this ASIN again because Amazon messed up. So make sure you escalate it and you do all of those steps one by one by one. I know it's a pain, but if you create an SOP and you have a team that's doing this full time, it's not going to be that difficult and you'll be able to remove fakes left and right and follow Amazon's policies at the same time. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, removing fakes, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will manage in your inventory, reviewing fakes, reporting fakes, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, design, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is you can spend time growing your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group.